Only a short flight away lies the diverse pleasures and gorgeous coastlines of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise where you can enjoy sunset beach walks without special someone. With a restaurant right on the beach, there's no reason to leave this slice of paradise. The numerous hammocks give you a place to drift off and lose yourself in the breeze. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. Satisfy your adrenaline cravings on a high-speed banana boat, or explore the waters on a pedalo. For adventure seekers, we recommend some of the local scuba diving. There's nothing else quite like it on the planet. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.